Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will bring a literature review of COVID-19 transmission from human to human in Asia. The latest coronavirus or COVID-19 entered in one of the provinces in China, has spread to various countries. World Health Organization or WHO Emergency Committee declared a global health emergency. COVID-19 virus, based on several studies, can be transmitted from human to human. Following the ways and media of transmission of COVID-19 is crucial so that transmission prevention can be done immediately. The whole world is on alert with the spread of a virus known as the coronavirus. Coronaviruses or COV are viruses that can cause illness, ranging from the flu to more severe diseases such as respiratory syndrome or MERS-CoV and severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS-CoV. Symptoms include chills, fever, fatigue, shortness of breath, and decreased appetite. However, unlike the common cold, the coronavirus can develop quickly to cause a more severe infection. The diseases caused by the coronavirus, otherwise known as COVID-19, is a new type that was discovered in December 2019 and has never been identified to attack humans before. The first case of the coronavirus appeared and attacked humans in Wuhan province, China. At first, the doctors and medical personnel who identified it at the time thought it was pneumonia because radiological results conducted by the Wuhan local hospital showed pneumonia with symptoms similar to flu and fever. The article criteria for a literature review are articles that discuss the transmission of COVID-19 in Asia. Journal published in 2020 in English and reliable. The articles in this literature review use descriptive research method. The data is taken from research reports or data sources on the development of events, symptoms, and the spread of COVID-19. The articles in the literature review were analyzed, extracted, and synthesized, and then summarized. The result relate to the transmission of COVID-19. From the result of the analysis is a hope that a conclusion can be found that can be used and a basis from the transmission of the COVID-19 virus from human to human. The following is a summary taken from the name of research, year of publication, title of research, number of sample, result, and conclusion of the study. The extracted digest in the entered into a table so that the extraction results are easy to read. There were 7 types of articles that were analyzed in various ways. The research method was descriptive, which was taken from research report or data source on the development of event, symptoms, and spread of COVID-19 and use the questionnaire method to collect data. In the case of COVID-19, at the beginning of the outbreak, transmission occurred in local communities and hospital clinics took was waiting room filled with sick and healthy people. In this case, leukemia spread begins among health care workers and hospital visitors, when returning home reinfect their community. However, COVID-19 has some unique characteristics, and such as asymptomatic infection due to hyperaffinity to the ACE2 receptor, resulting in high transmissibility with an incubation period of up to 22 days. This characteristic required upgrading the TCB protocols to ensure effective transmission control. The enhanced TCB or TCB includes two enhancements to the traditional TCB. COVID-19 has become a worldwide concern because of its very easy and fast spread from human to human, causing many deaths. Transmission is causing many deaths. Transmission of this virus is transmitted to family, close friends who have direct contact with patients infected with COVID-19 to close contact of less than 1 meter, so that it can be transmitted through droplets, sneezing, choking, aerosol, air of Photimus, and indirect contact with the patient's environment or items such as curtains and the virus. Knowledge of COVID-19 transmission can be used as a guide in making infection prevention and control protocols both in hospital and in the community by breaking the chain of COVID-19 transmission. One of them is providing education to the public regarding the transmission of COVID-19, such as implementing social distancing, health checks, self-isolation at home, getting used to washing hands, using masks when leaving the house, avoiding crowds, and applying health etiquette, and maintaining environmental cleanliness. So much material from me. We are sorry if there are errors, and I thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.